find Mommy. I'll find Mommy. Come on. Here we go. There we go.
What's all this? Is that yours?
Oh, honey, no, that's Mommy.
That doesn't matter.
Oh, come on. I made that up for Mommy and you just wrecked it. I know. Thank you very much. Thank you. You should have brought your piece of paper.
Get a present out for him, see what he does.
Listen. Come down here. Here. Come down here to the present. Yeah, not the paper. Here, come down here. Get down here, Hannah. Come here so Mummy can see you. Here. Here, do you want a present out of here? Here, take the top one. You can open it. Here. Can you open it? Here, sit down. Here. That's the dog. That's for the puppies. Here. That's for the puppies. Yeah, you have that one. Here. No, you open it. Here, look. You open it. You can do it. You want Nana to help you. Here. Nana help you. Put your fingers on there. You ready? Ready? Ah! Ah! What's in there? What's in there? What is it? What you got? Yeah, you can open it more. Open it more. Yeah, put your fingers around it. Yeah, you go. I know. It's yours. Take it out. Oh, where did you
Puppy!
Where did you get it? Oh.
Cuddles.
And you like the paper too.
Are you cuddling? You show Daddy what you got. See, I got puppy, Daddy.
You know, you got a puppy.
And you got a puppy from, hey, say Uncle Matt and Auntie Heidi. Do they know you like puppies, hey? You want Mummy help puppy? Do you want to open another one?
Do you want a big one or?
Just whatever.
I don't know, here's another one. What's in that one? I don't know what's in them, Bubba. We just open whatever we can get.
He wants to play with his puppies.
Brisbane, do you want to open this? You want to sit down and open this one? You can have keep your puppies. Here, sit down. Sit down. Keep your puppies. There you go. Want to open another one? Later.
It's overwhelming.
Put your fingers in it. No. Rip it? No, you just want to play with your puppies. Do you want to open it? No, I'm happy with my puppies, thank you. Guess what, next year, that's all you're getting, one present. It's okay, you can eat them. That's all that's in there is for you.
Oh, careful, Bubba. It's so rough. What if that's breakable?
You don't throw things. Don't break them.
tough, Bubba. They just keep coming, don't they? It's an endless bag. It's a string.
Don't put the string in your mouth. Don't put the string in your mouth.
Try and get him to open another one, then I'll turn it off.
Okay, come on. Oh, you're making Nana get on the floor. Here. Okay. What have we got? Do you want to do this big one that Mama gave you? Here. Turn around, say so. Oh, no. Uh-oh. What's happening? It's all right. What is that? Want Nana to help you. Here. No. We don't stand on it. Sit down with Nana. Good boy. Yeah. Put your fingers in there. Rip it.
Yeah, well, you've already stood on it, ripped it.
Yeah, come on. Grab the paper. Grab it. Yeah. Rip it. Want it? Here. Grab it. Oh, he's just... You want to open it? Here, open it up. Here, come on, get your hands in there. Come on, get your hands in there. Here, there you go, look.